Hello my YouTube friends. Today we're gonna have a little look at the Dutch brand of pocket knife from Amefa. They made this pocket knife for the Dutch army. It's a little bit of a copy slash lookalike of a Victorinox Pioneer. Got a main blade. A tin opener. Screwdriver en een bottle opener. En een awl. Got a nice snap to all the tools. It's aluminium with a brass middle liner. Probably stainless blade. Doesn't say on it, only says Amefa on it. It's real nice. Got a bail with a little lanyard on it. Let's see if it can cut a piece of paper. It's sharp enough. Haven't sharpened it at all at anything because it's a new old stock knife and I don't want to use it much. Just want to keep it like it is. Let's see what the length of this bad boy is. 7 centimeters blade length, almost 6.5 centimeters cutting edge on the main blade, and 16.3 millimeters of total length of the knife. It's real nice. Let's see what it is in inches. And I open the right tool, of course. Blade length almost 2 1/3 inch blade length, 2.5 inch cutting edge. Total length is 6.5 inches. It's a nice little knife. But when you had the Dutch Army version, it had a place on it with a KL mark and a date, like 81 and 73 and stuff like that. But this is the normal civilian version that doesn't have the military stuff on it. Let's put on a little slideshow for some better close-ups. Thank you for dropping by. Would be nice if you could hit the follow, like and bell icon. And thanks for dropping by. I will see you next time. Bye bye.